How do I activate my MacKeeper license? To activate your MacKeeper license, follow these steps. 1. Open the MacKeeper application on your Mac. 2. Click on the Activate or License tab within the application. 3. You will be prompted to enter your license key. 4. Locate your license key, which is usually provided to you when you purchase MacKeeper. 5. Carefully enter the license key into the designated field, ensuring there are no typos. 6. Double-check the accuracy of the license key before proceeding. 7. Click on the Activate or Submit button. 8. MacKeeper will verify the license key and connect to the activation server. 9. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during this process. 10. Wait for the activation process to complete. 11. Once the activation is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. 12. Restart the MacKeeper application to apply the activated license. 13. After restarting, you should have full access to all features and functionalities of MacKeeper. 14. If you encounter any issues during activation, ensure that you have entered the license key correctly and that it is still valid. 15. Make sure to keep your license key in a safe place for future reference. 16. Regularly update MacKeeper to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements. 17. Enjoy using MacKeeper to optimize and protect your Mac. If you encounter any issues during the Activate license, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.